Thinking about upgrading your sound system? Or maybe you're just starting to explore hi-fi audio. Either way, you've probably heard of integrated amplifiers and power amplifiers. But what's the difference? And more importantly, which one do you need? In this video, I'll break down exactly how these amps work, what sets them apart, and help you decide which one fits your system best. Let's dive in. What is an amplifier? First, let's get something straight. An amplifier's job is to boost a weak audio signal into a powerful one, strong enough to drive your speakers. But amps come in different flavors. At the heart of any audio system, you typically need two things: a preamp, which manages your inputs and controls volume, a power amp, which actually drives your speakers. Some people keep those separate. Others prefer both in one box. That's where the real difference starts. What is an integrated amplifier? An integrated amplifier combines both the preamp and power amp in one chassis. That means it handles everything, from choosing your source, like a turntable or CD player, to driving your speakers. Why is that great? It's easier to set up, saves space and money, perfect for everyday listeners who want great sound without the extra gear. Some integrated amps even include built-in DACs, Bluetooth, and photo stages, making them all-in-one audio hubs. What is a power amplifier? Now, a power amplifier is much simpler, but also much more focused. It doesn't switch inputs. It doesn't control volume. It simply amplifies the signal from a preamp and sends it to your speakers. Power amps are used in more modular, high-performance systems where each component is specialized. You pair it with a dedicated preamp, which handles input selection and volume. This gives you more control, more flexibility, and often higher fidelity, but it also means more complexity and cost. Let's break down the key differences between integrated amplifiers and power amplifiers. Integrated amps come with built-in volume control and input switching, making them ideal for users who want a straightforward and user-friendly setup. They're generally simpler to install, require fewer wires, and take up less space, which makes them perfect for casual listeners or beginners looking for an all-in-one solution. In contrast, power amplifiers require a separate preamp to manage volume and input switching, adding complexity to the setup. They typically involve more components and cabling, which can occupy more space. However, the trade-off is greater upgrade flexibility, perfect for audiophiles and enthusiasts who want a highly customizable system tailored to their exact preferences. Integrated amps prioritize simplicity and convenience, while power amps offer superior flexibility and performance potential for more advanced users. Here's how to decide which one you need. Go with an integrated amplifier if you're just starting out. You want a clean, clutter-free setup. You value convenience and ease of use. You're not planning on constantly upgrading components. Popular examples include Marantz PM6007, Yamaha AS301, Cambridge AXA35. Go with a power amplifier if you're building a high-end or modular audio setup. You already have or want a separate preamp. You care about squeezing out every drop of sound quality. You need more power for big speakers or home theater systems. Some top models include NAD C298, Emotiva BAX A2, Rotel RB1552 MKI. Let's look at a few real-life examples. Example 1. You've got a vinyl collection, a pair of bookshelf speakers, and a small room. An integrated amp with a phono input is perfect. Less clutter, great sound. Example 2. You've invested in a high-end DAC, want to mix and match, or drive large tower speakers. A power amp preamp combo gives you more headroom and flexibility. Example 3. You're a desktop audio enthusiast or streaming music through Tidal or Qobuz. An integrated amp with a built-in DAC offers a sweet balance of performance and simplicity. Final tips. There's no wrong answer here. It's about matching the amp to your listening needs, your space, and your future plans. If you're keeping it simple, integrated is the way to go. If you're building your dream rig or love tweaking gear, start with separates and get a power amp. If this helped you understand amps a little better, give it a like and subscribe for more hi-fi tips and reviews. Got questions about your own setup? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out.